So if you ordered a flag that comes rolled up, you will receive it in the box with a QR code showing you the instructions on how to go about the installation. And if your decal comes rolled up, you will receive a squeegee as well. For decals that come in a flat envelope, the squeegee won't be included. In order to secure and tack down your film, you can use a credit card or some type of hard card in order to tack down the film. Since it is already flat, it should be more easier to go about with the installation. So when you receive your order, you will receive it with the QR code installation instructions on how to go about installing your window decal. So when you receive it, grab your mobile phone and make sure you have it flat. That way the camera is able to read the QR code. So open it and it takes you directly to the website, and it gives you the written instructions on how to go about the installation, how to create the slip solution like I mentioned earlier, and you just read through and it will take you to the installation video as well, and then much more instructions on how to go about unrolling the film, flattening it out, how to go about with the installation process, and so forth. So you can use that installation instructions, that way you're able to install your decal to the quarter window. So remove the tape, and as you notice, since your decal has been rolled up, it will come like this. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you flatten out the decal. Some decals will come with little air pocket or tunnel. So you see right here, it's a little hard to see, but there's like a air tunnel here. So in order to remove that or any other air tunnels that you may have, all you need to do is just try to flatten it out as much as possible. You can apply tape on the edges if you need help, just so it can hold it in one position. But in order to remove the air tunnels, just lift the film carefully from one edge and make sure you're lifting the transfer tape with the actual decal. Try not to touch the adhesive and carefully just lift it. So you lift it carefully up until where the air tunnel is located. So it's right there, and we just need to be careful. In order to tack it down, we're going to just secure this side first. So if you still have your bottle or something to hold the backing paper, you can use it, and you will lift it up to where the air tunnel is located. You will grab your squeegee and just start squeegeeing it, tacking it down slowly. That way we're able to remove that air pocket that you may encounter on your decal. So that's one way of going about it. And then you would tack it down like this. So okay, and you would do the same in case you did order, let's say, a leopard or a cow print. Just inspect it. If you do see that it does have the pockets, just make sure you flatten it out from the front. You can use your squeegee. Just make sure to go slow. That way you don't crease the film. Just lift the film slowly. And because the leopards do have more spots, just make sure the transfer tape is coming up with the decal. And then wherever you see those pockets, you would stop. Hold it, make sure you're not touching the glue on the decal, and grab your squeegee and just tack it down. And that's pretty much it. That will help flatten out the flag. We've also seen people, another thing you can do in order to flatten out the flag is flip it around. You can put two objects on both ends. That way you're able to flatten it out. You may have to wait maybe about 10-20 minutes to help it flatten out. We've also seen people recommend flattening out by placing some type of book or a big cardboard to flatten it out. But this method should work in order to remove any air pockets or air tunnels that we had, like how we had with this one.